All right, WMC, this is the video to find our mini winners for card break number 3, which is the NBA boxes. So we'll check the time, November 29th at 1:49 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have November 29th at 1:49 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 4 after the final roll will win spots in the break. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John, Alan, Wade, and Steven. So, John, you will have first pick, and you get 8 spots. So, John is up first for 8 spots. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 29th, 1:50 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.